We are here creating at the Children's Discovery Museum, getting it on. Look at these young, talented artists doing their thing. Where's your necklace? Hold up your work. Let's show, let's show. Yes. Mother and daughter doing their darn thing. Look at that. Do those cowrie shells at the top. I feel like I need to be doing some water now. Wonderful job, everybody. Let me see, ladies. Is she gone? Well, let me see. Oh, my goodness. Don't you guys look beautiful? Is this your first creation? Is this your first time making jewelry? What? And you did that well? Give yourselves a hand. Say thanks, Mom, for bringing me out. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Come on up.